this is the thing. These things happen and we have zero control over them. We planned this a month in advance and we can't afford to just cancel.
Yeah. It's me, Mary and Ikaya. This is the official, long-awaited grand opening. We waited a year for this. Honestly, I feel like I have a rush of emotions just going through right now. Like, I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm like, just so much happening. Yeah. We just finished the ribbon cutting and oh my God, that was terrifying, but it was amazing. And look, we can see the tents right over there.
I belong to you. I belong to you.
Is not the business, you guys. This wind hates us. They don't want us to win. Look, we had to take out our tent because, you know, it's flying in the wind. My hat's trying to fly in the wind.
And so everybody's gonna have to pack up. Wind check right now. Obviously, these things are out of our control.
Wind's ruining our block party. It was a really good day. See the weather, it's nice. Yeah. But unfortunately, the wind is blowing all of the tents away. Yeah, mass destruction over here.
Mass destruction.
Have you fun?
Dude, congratulations.
Congratulations to
Fucking
us.
did the thing. We did the damn thing.
You got to do it again.
I was stressed every month. This shit obviously was stressful as fuck, but at the end of the day, we're problem solvers. We get this shit done. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna know how to make this a better experience for everybody. We're growing. It was the beginning. We're learning.
Yes, learning experience.
But the wind fucked it up a little bit.
Beach vibes.
Still, yeah, beach vibes. You know what I'm saying? This is like San Diego during spring. Sometimes you get windy days. People still go to the beach.
Yes.
This is the beach in Las Vegas.
Baby! There's so many.
Get away with it.
He has 9 puppies.
Spit some facts? Knowledge right here. Some knowledge.
Oh, come on.
Get your taxes done at SOS Tax.
Big Brain Studios, by the way, motherfucker.
Get your lashes done at Helloxmary. Facts, it's facts.
Yo, it was a great day. Appreciate y'all coming. Sorry we had to end it early, you know, wind check.
Wind check, yeah.
But we'll see you next month.
We
got y'all.
It was so much fun.
We gonna get lit again.
Shotgun.
Shotgun. We're not talking about the driver's seat, you know what I mean? Or the, you know what I'm saying? Hey, block party, if you don't got one of these, what is you doing? Do you have a life? What's going on? You know what I'm saying? So I'll see you next time. Bow.
Peace out. You know, like, subscribe, tune in next time.
Yes.
Thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below.
Yes.
Peace out.
Later.
Bye.
Right? Facts. Right. Ready? Go. Set
The
up.
sky is blue.
Come on. Real facts. Put some people on right now. Put
What
some
facts?
people on.
Oh, don't put me on the spot.
Facts.
You gotta motivate them.
Facts.
You gotta be willing to do the shit other people don't, to have the shit that other people don't. You know what I'm saying?
Uncomfortableness is growth.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The dream don't work unless you do. You know what I'm saying?
YOLO, you only live once.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, do whatever the fuck you want, because at the end of the day, who gives a fuck? You know what I'm saying?